Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl Anastasia, and your girl is back again with another video. And in today's video guys, we're going to be doing a wig review, as you guys can already tell from the title. And the wig I'm going to be reviewing today is from Aligrace hair. I want to show you guys the wig later on, but I want to show you the other things that came with the wig. So this wig actually came with a wig cap. Like, it only came with a wig cap, and then it came with this card here. And this card is just, you know, how to treat your wig and everything. And let me show you this wig, because this wig is just gorgeous. Guys, look at the wig I am going to be reviewing today. This is a 24-inch body wave wig, and you guys can see the curls on this hair. Like, it is so cute. This wig didn't come with an elastic band, but I added this myself because I really wanted the wig to be snugged on my head. It came with this strap that will help your wig to stay secure as always, and then it also has 4 combs inside, one at the top, one at the bottom. You guys can see, and then it has 2 combs by the side, which is going to help your wig to stay secured. I really love the lace on the wig. This lace is very durable, and this is not the type of lace that would easily like tear and all of that stuff. Like, the lace is very durable. This is the wig on my head. I really love it. Guys, can you see the curls? It's so fine. You guys, I cut off the ear tabs because they were too long, and you have to make sure you check all these things properly so that your wig doesn't lift on the ear tab side. And then I went ahead to comb my hair just to like detangle any hair that is clumped together. And I went to do my makeup, and I came back and I cut off the lace on my wig. Guys, I'm thinking of going for a glueless and a sprayless look. I don't want to add any glue or any spray to my hairline. I just want to just do it like glueless and sprayless. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm really hoping that like I don't get disappointed. I'm just going to use my Lotta body mousse to, you know, just mold the hairline, and that is going to be it. I am not going to use any glue or any spray. So let's see if this is going to work. I'm really scared of not using any glue, but I'm going to try my best and see what it is going to give. Okay, I'm going to put a very good amount. I also decided to do a side part because I always do middle parts. I wanted to do something different, and I loved the results at the end. Like, I'm just trying to switch up my look, and I really love the side parts. You guys, it was not easy for me to add curls to my wig on my head. I always try to use my dummy, but today I decided to do it on my head, and it was not easy at all. Like, my hands were paining me, my hands were killing me, but I'm just so happy that I was able to do everything and it came out well at the end. This is by far one of the hardest installs that I have ever done, because me trying to curl this hair on my head, it was a lot. I am so used to coiling my hair on the dummy head but not on my hair. I actually spent like 40 minutes trying to curl this hair, but I am happy with the finished look, I think. And my makeup, everything is not just giving anymore. I'm gonna try and take this band out so that I can see what this is going to give. I'm just really praying that this goes well, because I didn't use any glue or any spray, so I am just praying that this goes well. I'm so scared to reveal this hair. Oh my god, oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, this is the finished look of the hair. Like, I am so happy that it came out well. You guys, I used only my Lotta body foaming mousse for this hairline, and you guys can see the way it's giving natural. Like, can you see the way it's like, it looks so good. The only part I'm going to glue is just this ear tab side, just so that it lays down a little bit. So I'm going to spray my got2b. I'll spray my got2b here, and then I am just going to press with my fingers just so that it lays down a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to press this. You guys, this hair is so pretty and it is so full. I love it. Like, I think this hair is 150% density, but this hair is giving, it's giving like 200% density. I'm just going to cut this this piece of hair right here. I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, all right. I'm gonna use my brush to like do just small cute baby hair right here. I'm just going to press this. Okay, oh my god, this is so pretty. Like, this is so pretty, guys. This is so pretty.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change.
Aligrace hair, you guys know what you're doing. Like, this wig is just so pretty, and you guys saw that I didn't use any glue. I only used the got2b spray gel just on the side here, just so that it lays a little bit. But other than that, this wig, no glue. It's glueless. It's glueless, baby, which I really love. I'm gonna take this wig back. You guys can see no single glue on my forehead, and I'm just going to put this back on just so that you guys can see. Guys, can you see? This wig is glueless, no single glue. This wig is 24 inches long. I'm gonna stand up so that you guys can see. Can you see, guys? It's reaching me, like, it's almost to my waistline which I really love. Let me tell you now, Christmas is coming. Like, Christmas is 2 months away, so you need to start buying your Christmas stuff, start buying your Christmas hair and everything. So make sure you buy this hair, because you guys, I love this hair. You guys know I would not review anything that is not good. So make sure to check my description box, and you're going to see all the details of this hair. Click the link and buy your wig. And Aligrace hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. I love this hair so much. And just a recap for you guys, this wig is a 24 inches body wave wig, and I think it is a 180% density wig. I'm not so sure. And what else, yeah, the wig is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. So yeah, like, it's so pretty. I love how this wig looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, do well to give the video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.